Look, there's something here. Wow, it's a blue-green tractor. Let's see what other toy treasures we can find. HMM, what's this white object? I'm sure it's a white sports car. The white sports car looks so cool. How lucky, there are more toys here. Oh my, it's a blue concrete mixer truck. Look, there's a red sports car here. The sports car is stuck in the mud. Wow, what a beautiful and cool sports car. Great, there's another toy treasure here. It's a red and yellow truck. It's so powerful. Look, there's another one here. Quick, let's dig it out and see what toy it is. Wow, it's a yellow sports car. Let's walk forward and see what other toys there are. What toy is this? Let's take it out quickly. Wow, it's a yellow excavator. We're so lucky today.